Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to connect Miro to Excel step by step, and it will be a complete fully updated for 2025. This is a super useful if you want to bring Excel data into your Miro boards or export Miro tables and sticky notes back to Excel. So let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be open Miro and go to the board where you can or you want to use your Excel data. Make sure you are signed in with the right account and have editing access for the board. So here you just need to be create an board. Let's create a new board over that place. Just click to the board, and then it actually right back us to here, and here we are going to create a board. Let's for you. So this is the template. So let's give a board here. I think this one will be a good. I think this may be a concept map. Let's click onto the use and it will be implemented here. Actually here you can see it. Now I just want to export it. Like here, to import an Excel file into Miro, just click to the upload. Here you will find out the upload options or export this board. Just click to this three button, and then we have this preference, view, then edit and board options. So from that place I will click onto the export, and that place I will export to spreadsheet CSV file, and here it will already been downloaded. So here we get our export file. Like just open this one, and here Excel file is opening. So now actually you can see it will be opened perfectly. Click to the close and open this one, and we already export it is as a, I can say that, Excel file. So let's back to the Miro again, and here if you want to export templates from that place you can export it here. So this is the easiest way to export anything as an CSV file. So this is the way you can export your file here. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.